Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to place farmers and close farms in Carcassonne. As you can see, there is a big farm on which this green farmer lays. The farmer must be laid on its back, like that, and the farm borders are cities, road segments, and the edge of the playing field and edges of playing fields. So that big farm is everywhere when it's not bordered here, but it also continues here, etc. And when another player puts a tile, let's say here, after placing a tile they may deploy a follower as a knight or a farmer. If the red player has put the tile here and they decide to deploy a farmer, they may deploy it because it's not the same farm. You cannot deploy a farmer on an already occupied farm, but as you can see, this is the completely different farm, and then these farms are different and occupied by different followers, but when in different turns players put another tile that will connect these farms, you can see that these farms are now connected, and this big whole farm is occupied by two followers at once, and that's allowed. The farms may be connected and may be owned by different farmers, but only when the farmers have been placed earlier. Remember that farmers remain on the farm for the duration of the game and are never returned to their owner, because farms are scored only at the end of the game. And that's how you place farmers and close farms. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.